In this question from the SQA, we're asked to find the area of this triangle. So the first thing I'm looking at is, I'm going to highlight this word here, the area, is to think about how do I find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle by using A is equal to a half base times height. Okay. So what information do I need? I need the base, and that's here. 12 meters is the base, but I need the height. The height of the triangle goes down like that and meets the base at a right angle. I don't have that dimension, so I have to work it out. Well, if you can see that I've got this shape here, where I've highlighted, there is a right angle triangle. I'm just going to draw it in blue. Okay. And if I take that right angle triangle, I can see now that this section here, it's an isosceles triangle. I know that's half the distance of the 12, so that is 6. So I've essentially got a right angle triangle which looks like this. There's my height of the triangle. That distance is 6 and that distance is 10. So in order to work out the area of the triangle, I need to work out this value of h. So I'm going to do that by using Pythagoras Theorem. So the first thing I'm going to do, as ever, is I'm looking at the right angle and I'm going to cross the triangle to identify the hypotenuse, and that is here, the longest side. I'm going to mark that as C. I'm going to label this as A and this side as B. And this is non-calculator, it's paper 1, so I need to do it all in my brain. So I'm going to write out, so Pythagoras Theorem, I'm trying to find side A, so that is A squared is equal to C squared minus B squared. Now I've done the thinking, it's just like our previous examples. I can go and find h squared is equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared. I can work that out in my head. 10 squared is 100, 6 squared is 36, 100 take with 36 is 64. And just like previously, I don't want h squared, I want h, so I'm going to take the square root of 64, and that works out to be 8, and I'm checking the units, it is meters. So this distance here is now 8 meters. That's the height of the triangle. The base of the triangle is this distance here, the 12. So I can now use my area formula. A is equal to a half base times height, and substitute and be carefully substituting the correct values. So I've got a half times by the base of the whole triangle, which is 12, times by the height of the triangle, which is 8. And when I work that out, I end up with 48 square meters. So in SQA exams, it tends to be that you're given a question not directly where you can spot Pythagoras theorem or the right angle triangle. You're going to have to go and look for it. And my advice would be to draw on the diagrams, redraw diagrams, and start marking on the information you know and think about what you're trying to find out.